guys, I'm Stanley, and I'm going to show you how to repair the Thermarest mattress. And this is a Thermarest mattress for life. And this is the Thermarest repair kit, which is you can purchase from the internet. It's including the manual and including the glue dot and cover patch, and also that I have a alcohol wipe. So you're gonna need the scissors and the marker to locate the leak. First we have to inflate the mattress to find the leak. Right? Then you use the soapy water to apply on the surface of the mattress. Here you are. See? And I found one leak here. I use the marker to locate the leak. First we cut off the glue dot from the set. And remember the glue dot is really sticky, so try not to touch it directly. Then you take the alcohol wipe to clean the surface before applying the glue dot. And you also leave it for completely dry. Alright, take up one side of the glue dot cover. And then you apply it onto the leak. Press down to make sure to firmly cover the surface. And then remove the other cover very carefully. And remember, during post-process, try not to touch the glue dot. So now it's time to use a cover patch. The cover patch is too big, so you can cut it off. I'm going to cut it half. Then I apply the cover patch onto the glue dot. Alright, now it's repair and ready for the next camping. Okay.